Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy affiliate promotions with Bed Bath & Beyond easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by signing up for the Bed Bath & Beyond affiliate program. Visit their official website and scroll down to the footer. Click on the affiliate program link to find more information. You'll be directed to a partner network where you can apply. Fill out the application form with your necessary details. Make sure to include your website or promotional platform link. After submitting, wait for the approval email from the affiliate team. Once approved, log into your affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the platform and available resources. Locate the product catalog to choose items for promotion. Select the products that align with your audience's interests. Generate unique affiliate links for those products. Leverage promotional tools provided by Bed Bath & Beyond. Create banners or text links to place on your website or social media. Consider writing a blog post or creating video content around the selected products. Include your affiliate links strategically within your content. Utilize eye-catching images and compelling descriptions for better engagement. Schedule your promotions to maximize visibility and traffic. Monitor performance through the affiliate dashboard analytics. Adjust your strategies based on what products resonate most with your audience. Stay updated on seasonal promotions and special offers from Bed Bath & Beyond. Engage with your audience to provide them with valuable recommendations. Manage your promotional efforts to ensure consistent traffic and conversions. Continue to refine your approach based on performance metrics and audience feedback. This will help you build a successful affiliate marketing strategy with Bed Bath & Beyond. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.